Rajasthan's Alwar district has come up as one of the key industrial zones outside of the national capital region. The state government there plans big to develop Bhiwadi into an auto hub, and the real estate market there is riding on this industrial revolution, as the experts there call it. So what's really happening in that market, and does Bhiwadi have what it takes to be the next boom town in NCR? Vasudha Sharma files his special report from Bhiwadi.
The gateway to Rajasthan, Bhiwadi today is opening doors to a new phase of growth. From being a small town on the Haryana-Rajasthan border, Bhiwadi is now emerging as a major industrial hub in NCR. Bhiwadi will be developed as one of the 7 smart cities to come up along the Delhi-Mumbai industrial corridor. This in turn is fueling a major real estate boom in this region. 55 kilometers from the international airport in Delhi, 40 kilometers from Gurgaon, and just 5 kilometers from NH8. Bhiwadi has been earmarked as a priority town in NCR's Regional Plan 2021. The town is part of the Bhiwadi Tapukhada Kushkhera Industrial Complex with over 2,500 industries. And big-ticket infrastructure projects are now transforming Bhiwadi into an auto hub.
It's on the Delhi-Mumbai corridor, it's on the freight corridor of Delhi-Mumbai. Auto hubs, we keep talking about auto hubs of Pune and Chennai and things like that. But the truth is Maruti is the largest producer, Hero MotoCorp is the largest producer of bikes, and both of their presence on the NH8 is available. And now Honda is entering Bhiwadi.
Huge investments are coming in Bhiwadi. A lot of big MNCs have come in. Honda is already there. Saint Gobain has set up the biggest glass plant in the world in Bhiwadi. In fact, there's a talk of Toyota coming in.
Bhiwadi's lifeline, the Alwar Bypass Road, is seeing the maximum real estate action here. Most of the housing here caters to the middle income category in the 15 to 45 lakh rupees range. And Bhiwadi has also become a preferred retirement destination in NCR. The 20-odd developers here claim that Bhiwadi gives lucrative rental returns. But data suggests that while real estate prices have seen an appreciation of over 25% from 2009 to date, on an annualized basis, this translates to just 10%. But experts are of the view that Bhiwadi will benefit from the spillover effect of neighbouring Gurgaon and Manesar.
Bhiwadi in times to come should do better because of the price points available out there. Gurgaon is becoming too expensive for most people to buy now. So Bhiwadi provides a good option for projects which are between the 2,000 or 3,000 rupee per square feet mark.
Basic social infrastructure like schools, banks are already here. Rajasthan boasts of being a power surplus state. There are plans to connect Bhiwadi to a rapid rail system, and an airport has been proposed on the Delhi-Jaipur highway. But water and sewerage is a huge concern for the industrial sector here. The Bhiwadi Master Plan 2031 acknowledges that groundwater in Alwar district has been overexploited. It also reveals that there is no piped sewerage system in the industrial pockets. So with the bulk of the infrastructure still to come, property experts advise that Bhiwadi is not a market for short-term investors and should be only looked at as a long-term bet. But with a booming industrial economy that's churning out lakhs of jobs locally and the state government's focus on improving connectivity to NCR, the real estate market in Bhiwadi could be a growth story to watch out for. Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.